Where do you get your bikes?
Where did we leave
Online?
it?
Online?
Where did I get it?
Yeah.
I put this one together myself.
I'm gonna. Oh, what?
Robin.
Mine need tires. You got?
We got the same tires, right? I need the same brand.
They're the same.
I'm gonna get different ones though. They're called Sun F. Never heard of it? When you get a chance, go on Amazon
Yeah.
and type in Sun F tires for minibike.
Tires. I'm gonna get the scooter next. I see your chain is tight.
Bro, you can adjust yours with that screw right there.
Which one?
The silver one. This one. That's your chain tensioner.
Oh,
So, trying to loose it, that's how you control if you want it loose or not.
okay. I just got the light.
Also, you see your sprocket?
Yeah. Yeah.
I had the same one on this one, right? Well, I wanted to go faster, so when you go smaller, you go faster, so I got this. This is, I think, got 42 feet. This one right here, look. Sprocket. See it?
Yeah.
See how it's smaller?
Okay. I have this. I have run my battery. But
So look, I ended up getting this, so I just gotta get a battery.
yeah. How do you got the how do you get the like the
This?
where do you find the battery to get that lit?
I charge it from here.
You charge it from here?
Yeah, and it comes different style. Hold on.
It's not a battery?
Nah, charge it.
I gotta get one. The ones that.
Well, look, my headlight has a place where you can charge.
Okay.
I got this from Walmart.
I got this from AutoZone. AutoZone. I don't know what to do with it.
Or Amazon.
Yeah.
Yo, for this, I would zip tie it.
Zip tie?
Yeah. Advanced Auto Parts, they got zip ties. They got 6 zip ties.
Yeah.
Look, like my foot peg is a wrench.
Oh, okay.
I saw.
Yeah.
Bro, I gotta find you a motor.
A where?
12.
212?
Motor swap and take that off.
Yeah.
You can sell that and then post this on there.
Let's say you drive that way and come back. That way and come back.
I'm actually I'm gonna head out, but I'm gonna come this way.
Okay.
I gotta go run an errand.
You gotta run an errand?
Yep, I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna turn around.
Okay.
And I'm gonna come that way.
Okay.
Yeah.